Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is this cute, smoky, sultry cat look. So if you want to see how to get this very simple Halloween makeup, then keep watching. I start with my E.L.F primer to smooth my skin. Then I use the NYX Color Correct in the deep palette using orange to cover my dark spots. It's close to midnight. Something evil's lurking in the dark. Under the moonlight, you see a sight that almost stops your heart. You try to scream, but terror takes the sound before you make it. You start to freeze as horror looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed. For my foundation, I mixed L'Oreal True Match in the color N8 Cappuccino and Black Radiance BB Cream in the color Chocolate. And after doing that, I used my concealer in the color Fawn to brighten areas of my face. Here I'm taking the same NYX Color Correcting palette and using the dark brown to contour. To contour my nose, I'm using the EcoTools concealer brush. Blend it out well so you won't have those too harsh lines on your nose. To set my concealer, I'm using the Black Radiance translucent powder. To set my entire face, I'm using L'Oreal True Match powder and N8 Cappuccino. And you can't forget the brows. I use NYX Cream Eyebrow Pencil. I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. You're trying to save me, stop holding your breath. And you think I'm crazy, yeah, you think I'm crazy. Well, that's not fair. Using the NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals Shadow Palette, I applied cream on my lid, beige as my transition color, and deep purple, I know it looks brown but it's purple, as my crease color. The colors did not have any names though. I used the E.L.F eyeliner brush to apply the Black Radiance Cream eyeliner. I'm smoking out my bottom lash line using the same crease eyeshadow with the E.L.F Cosmetics blending brush. Taking the same eyeshadow that's on my lid, I apply it to the inner corners of my eyes, and then with the Black Radiance Cream eyeliner, I extend the shape of my eyes. For my waterline, any waterproof black eyeliner will do. This lash primer by L'Oreal really extends my lashes. Then I top it off with my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. To get a cat-like nose, I follow the natural shape of my nose and shade it in. I apply liner to my top lip with a connecting line to my Cupid's bow. And you can't forget the whiskers. For a nude lip, I used ColourPop liquid lipstick in the color Beeper and Coco Loco lip liner by Jordana with a glossy finish.
I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, is this just a dream?
I play too much. Anyway, I'm using NYX Illuminator highlighter for a sparkling glow. This is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know what other looks you want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again with my next video. Bye.